My Stihl battery chainsaw is running really rough. The chain's making a kind of a clunky action. I suspect it's the sprocket. Now it's 3 years old. It's probably time for a new one. Let's crack it open and see. We'll just take the chainsaw guard off of this. And sure enough, that is really chewed up. You can see it around the chain, how chewed up that is. So I'm gonna have to look and see if I can replace that. Do just a little research online, and we'll see if I can fix it myself. Well, it arrived. Let's take a look at it. Supposed to be a 6-spoke sprocket and compatible with Stihl chainsaws, battery chainsaws. Mine is the MS-140C. They no longer make that, so I was a little worried I couldn't get a sprocket for this, but there it is. They send you a little 6-point sprocket and a C-clip. Let's start by disassembling the saw. I'm just going to wipe any debris off of here real quick. Ton of sawdust in here. Greasy sawdust. If you don't have a pair of snap ring pliers, you can always use a flat-headed screwdriver and a pair of needle nose. But it's handy to have these. Now I'm going to remove that clip, hopefully not lose it. That's why I call them an old shit clip. Oh shit, there they go. There we go, get that one out. Pull that sprocket, and you can really see how chewed up that got. Time for that new one. There's mixed reviews on that sprocket. Some people say they wear right out. We'll see. The one that came with it lasted 3 years. Attempt number 1. Well, let's go for attempt number 2. I'm sure somebody's laughing at me right now because they know how to do this a lot better than I do. There we go. And make sure it's set. Not going anywhere. And we're locked in. Let's get it back together. Usually I have a carving bar on this, but I've got the regular Roll-O-Matic E Mini. Now I'll put a little tension on the chain. Well, I got a piece of sacrificial wood right here. Let's give it a test. That is 1,000 times better. Well, I'm glad I learned how to do that. Hopefully it helps anybody out there. That's the way to do it. Almost forgot. Always take that battery out before you do anything on your chainsaw. Don't be a bonehead like me.